These cat videos are breaking the TikTok creativity program right now. They are getting millions of views on pretty much every single video they upload, and with TikTok creativity program paying $1 per 1,000 views. This one video have made over $44,000. This one made $15,000, and this $10,000. That's how much people are making by posting these simple AI videos. Luckily for you, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can create videos just like this in just a few simple steps. From creating the visuals, animating them, to creating your very own AI music and editing it all together. And don't worry, you won't need any editing skills or budget for this. All you gotta do is follow this process that I'm about to show you, and you will be able to create these videos in minutes. But you have to pay attention, because if you skip even one step, you might not get the result we are looking for.
And you have to tell them.
What do you mean?
You have to tell them that the TikTok creativity program is from big countries like the US, UK, or France. And if they are not from those countries, they won't be able to make any money from this.
Yeah, that's true, but they don't have to be from those countries.
What do you mean, N?
There is a secret way to bypass this. Since people all over the world are now able to buy fully monetized TikTok accounts on this website, this means you can access the creativity program no matter where you are from and earn money on your very first post. I personally use them all the time, because if I go viral on my first video, I can enjoy all the lovely revenue from that video. And it's good to mention that they offer full account warranty. So if anything happens with your account, they will replace it with a new one. And for my viewers, I managed to negotiate a discount. So if you are serious about this, use the code GROWWITHAI. I'll leave the link for the website in the description. So the first thing we need are text prompts for our images. We will basically take these prompts and put them into a text-to-image tool that will generate the images we want. To start off, head over to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt. To make it easy for you, you can find all the prompts used in this video inside my free community. So head over there and in the free resources section, look for a link labeled Cat Prompts and grab it. It's free, of course. You can find the link for the community in the description. Now, once you got your prompt ready, hit enter. And as you can see, after a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate us these scenes. They basically represent the whole cat cooking journey, from buying the ingredients to eating the finished meal. Now we need to get image prompts for each of these scenes, and to do that, copy the second prompt from the document and generate it. Now that ChatGPT has generated us these detailed image prompts, we need to make images out of them. And to do that, head over to a website called leonardo.ai. They give you 150 credits for free each day, and that should be enough for you. So head over to Leonardo and sign up. Once you are in, click on the image button in the middle, and you will be taken here. If you never used Leonardo before, up here you have the prompt box, and whatever you type in there, Leonardo will turn it into an image. And on the left, you have these settings that will decide how the image will turn out. So for this tutorial, you want to click on this preset button and select the Phoenix 1 model. And below that, change the image style to dynamic. Lastly, you have to change the image dimension here to 9:16. And that's all for the setting. Simple, right? Now copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in the prompt box. After a couple of seconds, Leonardo has generated these images, which in my opinion looks solid. Gee, what do you think?
Gotta say, N, you keep surprising me each time, but you are not done yet. You're only in the beginning, so put your head down and continue.
Thanks, G. Anyway, now all you gotta do is repeat this exact process for all the prompts. So give me a second, I will be right back. Okay, with all the images done and downloaded, we need to animate them, because static images won't get us far. Now, I did some heavy research on what is the best free AI tool to make animations like those in the viral videos. And after some hours, I did it. I have found the perfect match, and before I show you the website, you could leave a like and comment showing me your support. Thank you. So head over to a website called Hilo AI. Once you are in, on the left, click on image, and here make sure to select the image to video option, and then upload the first image from Leonardo. Now head back over to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt and paste it into this prompt box and hit generate. So while it's loading, I will repeat this exact process for all the images and get back to you with the final results. Alright, I have generated all the animations needed, and as you can see, they turned out really good.
And I have an advice for you. These animations are nice and all, but in order to succeed with this, you have to stand out, remember.
I know, but how I'm supposed to do that?
I have heard around that there is a website that lets you create your very own unique music. Maybe look there.
Thanks, G. After I did a deep research on how to actually make your content unique, I have found a website that lets you create your very own unique music for your videos. Basically, all you need is a prompt from ChatGPT, and this website will literally create a whole song based on that prompt in a few minutes, which is f-king crazy. So, open suno.ai. But before we create our own unique song, we need to come up with the prompt I mentioned earlier. And don't worry, it's not that hard to do. Just head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short lyric script for a relaxing song that would fit well with our story, and let ChatGPT cook something up for you. Now with your lyrics ready, ask it to generate a music style so that the Suno has all the information it needs. And with all of this, we have everything to create the song. So head back over to Suno and click on Create Here. Select this custom option and paste the song lyrics into this first prompt box. Then scroll down and paste the music style into the second prompt box. Now just hit Create. And after a few minutes, this is what Suno has created. When you are happy with the song, click on these 3 dots and then download it. Now with all of this ready, we can finally move on to the last and the most important step of this tutorial, and that is to edit everything together in CapCut. So open a new project in CapCut and import all the images and music. Now we start off by dragging the visuals onto the timeline one by one. As you can see, we have these watermarks, which it's not the biggest deal breaker in the world, but we are trying to beat the pros here. So what you want to do is click on the first visual and simply scale the image by dragging one corner until the watermark is gone, and it's simple as that. Now just repeat this process for all the images. Next, drag the music under the visuals and adjust the length so it covers the visuals. Then lower the volume to something like -28. Otherwise, when the music is too loud, you'll get comments like this. Now before we start adding transitions, I suggest you add some sound effects to the video. This step is optional, but I highly suggest you add them since it makes the video more enhanced and enjoyable. So to add them up here, click on Audio and select Sound Effects. Here look for something like food chopping, food mixer, and so on. Basically, you want to match the sound effect with what's going on in the scene. For example, here the cat is chopping tomatoes, so I'll add some chopping sound effect. Now you get the point, play around with it. And once you are done with the sound effects, we can add some transitions. So up here, click on Transitions and look for a mixed transition. Of course, you can play around and use other transitions, but in my opinion, this one is perfect to make seamless transitions between the clips. Now apply the transition between each clip simply by pressing this Apply to All button, and we are done. Now, all that's left to do is to export the video. So up here, click on Export and set the resolution 1080p and frame rate to 60 to ensure the best quality. But before I show you the final result, if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment showing me your support. It actually helps me out more than you think, and it helps me dig deeper and find this under the radar stuff for you guys. So make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of these tricks. And if you want to take this seriously, consider getting the TikTok monetized account. And if you want any help on your journey, join my free community and here ask whatever question you have. I help over 2,000 people every single day. So here's the final result.